Hi my loves, I hope you are all keeping well and treating each other well. Welcome to the Fab Life channel. If you haven't seen me before, hi, my name is Taye Brown. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join the family, and I hope you enjoy today's video, which is a Hamptons inspired summer outfits styling video. I finally got around to doing my curling hair tutorial, so if that's up already by the time this video goes out, then I will link that in the iCards and down in the description box. Hamptons, of course, is very white and blue, very nautical, quite relaxed but also quite put together in some respects. I should have about 6 outfits for you, and I've divided them into 3 categories. So I've got just going out in the town during the day, perhaps it's going to a museum or just meeting friends for lunch. The next section is anything water related. It might just be a day by the pool, it might be a day on the beach, or it might be a day on a boat. And the final section is more dinner or going out in the evenings. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you later. So this first category, of course, is all about being out in the town. And for that, I've just teamed my lovely casual sundress from Dorothy Perkins. And we want to keep this look super relaxed, so I've gone for my black slides and my medium flap. So the next look for popping out in town is this super casual look, but it just feels a little bit put together by wearing a slightly smarter blouse. Here I've got on a self-portrait top, and I'm just wearing it with a pair of denim blue shorts. I imagine this outfit just strolling into town, perhaps to get some supplies, some baguettes and some bits for lunch or dinner. So because of that, I'm going to pair it with my book tote. I appreciate there is a little bit of a clash going on, but honestly, when I'm in that summer vibe, I really don't mind a little bit of a clash. But if that's too much of a clash for you, then you could by all means go for a plainer top, perhaps a nude top, which you'll see in a moment. Category is something water themed. This swimsuit is from H&M. I will link it, or something similar. I'm picking up all the white accents with my accessories, so I'm going for white leather slides and my white and straw bag. And you're good to go to that beach bar, get a drink, or go flirt with that captain. My captain is my husband. I'll be flirting away with him on his boat. Okay, let's keep it real. You're probably not going to be wearing a swimsuit in your back garden, but if you were going somewhere that had a pool, you might be going to a little clubhouse somewhere, you might be on your way to Soho House, then this is going to be the perfect outfit. In my nautical category has got to be a simple white dress. So I've got my blue and cream woven slippers. These are from Next. They were last season, but I'll link something similar if I can find something similar. And of course my book tote. That is it in terms of the injection of color. This dress is from Zara. It actually arrived today. I went for a large because I didn't want it to be tight. I really wanted that effortless look, but it is actually a little bit too big, so I might swap it for a medium. If you haven't seen my £500 Zara haul, I'm going to link that up in the iCards and down below. He's not doing the washing up. I think he's doing the washing up. So the final category in this lookbook is out for dinner. So a little bit dressier, a little bit more put together, but still quite relaxed. We are still on holiday. We want to give those real holiday vibes. This is the first look. I've gone for this white asymmetrical top from Ted Baker. I paired it with my absolutely go-to beige trousers from Zara. I love these trousers. They're so comfortable. I will be pairing it with my wallet on chain. So again, really picking up on those beige tones. I like to pack smart. So I probably would only take one pair of heels that I could wear with multiple outfits. In this case, these white heels from Nasty Gal would absolutely win. So the second and final look for the dinner category while on holiday is this absolutely beautiful dress. This dress is from H&M. Bag-wise, I'm going to go for my classic flap. It's going to pick out the black details in the dress and you're good to go for the evening. Such a classic look for dinner. Of course, if it's a little bit cooler in the evenings, you can just throw on a little blazer, perhaps a white blazer or even a black blazer just to keep that chill off. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite look out of these 6 outfits that were Hamptons inspired. Coco's been in the room, my little companion, the whole time while filming. Do you want to say bye, Coco? Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.